Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden TV stands, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, new and trendy TV stand designs, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden TV stand designs. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Newest version. Those who love such type of wooden TV stands. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy. If you want to buy these very beautiful wooden TV stands, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, please watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and trendy wooden TV stand designs and save your objects in beautiful and trendy stylish wooden TV stands. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden TV stand designs, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Top designer ideas you can see. Every design is much beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Modern style TV stand designs you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood, about wooden decoration, wooden furniture designs, wooden projects, stylish animal designs, wooden art designs you can see also. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.